In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a Shopify theme before you decide to implement it on your store. Previewing themes is a crucial step in the design process because it allows you to envision how your products and brand will be showcased online. Let's jump right in. Starting from your Shopify homepage, you'll want to locate the Online Store tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is your gateway to customizing and enhancing the visual aesthetics of your website. Clicking on this tab lands you on a page where you can manage all things related to your online storefront. Once you're there, scroll down a little until you see a section labeled Popular Free Themes. Shopify regularly updates this section with themes that are both trendy and versatile, giving you a fresh and modern look for your site without the extra cost. Free themes are a fantastic starting point for anyone new to e-commerce or if you're simply testing the waters. Next, select the theme you're interested in by clicking on it. This action will open a new window, providing more details about the theme you've chosen. Here, you can take some time to read the theme's description, explore its features, and check out user reviews. This way, you get a comprehensive understanding of what the theme offers and gauge whether it aligns with your brand's vision. Once you've decided that this theme looks promising, click the button that says View Demo Store. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Clicking this allows you to experience the theme in action. You're not just seeing static images or mock-ups here, you're getting a first-hand look at the layout, navigation, and overall feel of the theme as if it were your own store. As the demo loads, you'll see a sample view of the theme complete with placeholder images and text. This is your opportunity to imagine how your products, collections, and brand messaging will fit. Try to visualize your store's content in this setup and consider how well the design will cater to your customers' browsing and purchasing behavior. Evaluating the demo theme should give you a clear picture of how it reflects your brand's style and how you can strategically place your products within this framework. If it meets your needs, then you're one step closer to giving your Shopify store a refreshed look with a theme that elevates your online business presence. And that's it. You've successfully previewed a Shopify theme. Happy designing, and may your store look as good as it functions. Until next time, keep creating and improving your online shop to attract the audience you deserve.